Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. This is my first bifocals. I still can't believe the decades of my perfect vision is now deteriorating due to age. I'm still in denial and I blame it on the working conditions because I work in a dark room all the time. Anyway, this week I'm going to share acupressure for aging eyes. First, around the eyes. The first one is on the inner tip of the eyebrow. This is called urinary bladder 2 or UB2. The next one is on the center of the eyebrow. This is called extra head and neck 4 and is not on the major meridian. The next one is on the outside of the eye socket between the outer tip of the eyebrow and outer corner of the eye. This is not on the major meridian. Press these points for 1 minute as you breathe deeply. I press all three on both sides at the same time to save time. Instead of sitting up and press the fingers and head against each other, tilt the head forward and use the head weight to press these points. Or tilt the head backward on the couch or lie on your back and use the finger weight to press these points. I even combine meditation with this. The last point is on the line at the base of your pinky. This is not on the major meridian, but it's literally called old eye point. Stimulate these points by pressing or rubbing between your thumb and index fingers. Just a side note of the history of my eyesight. When I was 7 years old, my eyesight wasn't great. It was 0.8 on the Japanese scale, which is equivalent to 20/25 in the US. I started looking at the stars and very far whenever I could. The following year, my eyesight had become 2.0 on the Japanese scale, which is equivalent to 20/10 in the US. It's even better than the so-called perfect vision of 20/20 in the US. So, I will be looking at the stars again, but I really should stop playing Candy Crush in bed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.